With a torch in your pocket and the wind at your heels, you climbed on the ladder and you know how it feels to get too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. There were unicorns and cannonballs, palaces and piers, trumpets, towers, tenements, wide oceans full of tears, flags, rags, ferry boats, scimitars and scarves, every precious dream and vision underneath the stars. Yes, you climbed on the ladder with the wind in your sails. You came like a comet, blazing your trail, too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. That's how that poem goes. All right.
Ooh, ah, na, 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 na.
I pictured a rainbow. You held it in your hands. I had flashes. You saw the plan. I wandered out in the world for years, while you just stayed in your room. I saw the crescent. You saw the whole of the moon. The whole of the moon. You were there at the turnstile with the wind at your heels. You stretch for the stars and you know how it feels to reach too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. I was grounded while you filled the sky. I was dumbfounded. You cut through lies. I watched the rain-dirty valley, and you saw Brigadoon. I saw the crescent. You saw the whole of the moon. The whole of the moon. Spoke about wings. You just flew. I wondered, I guessed, and I tried. You just flew, I sighed. And you swooned. I saw the crescent. You saw the whole of the moon. The whole of the moon.
Hey, yeah.
With a torch in your pocket and the wind at your heels, you climbed on the ladder and you know how it feels to reach too high, too far, too soon. All of the moon.
You saw
All of the moon.
hey, yeah. You saw the whole of the moon. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons.
All right. So, I didn't bring a pick.
That was great.
Hey, if you'd like to support the show, if you'd like to support BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, You can click the links in the description box to either Patreon. On Patreon, you can give us a little bit of money every month, and we'll send you a book. PayPal, you can send us a little tip, or you can go to GoFundMe.com and help us raise money. We have a GoFundMe. Otherwise, if you'd like to order Ojibwe language books by me, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist, you can click the links to Amazon.com and order. I've got coloring books, comic books, children's picture books, like OJIBWE, and Dog and Manga, BOOZHOO OJIBWE, many more. Click the links below. Miigwech. Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. Let's dance to the song they're playing on the radio. Let's sway while color lights up your face. Let's sway, sway through the crowd to an empty space. And if you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower, let's dance for fear your grace should fall. Let's dance for fear tonight is all. Let's sway, you could look into my eyes. Let's sway under the moonlight, the serious moonlight. If you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower, let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance. I don't know what your problem is. You don't know what my problem is? I'm just here to announce the show. Gene, every time I want to do something on my own, you gotta muscle your way in, and this is my thing. I'm on the Rockstar Cartoonist podcast. I don't need you anymore. Can't you see that? You don't need me, but we're kids. I know we're kids, but it's not like we're married or anything. I just want to announce this show on my own. Well, all right. Oh, yeah. Well, all right. Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Rockstar Cartoonist, the podcast about rock stars and cartoons. Gene? Never mind, I'm doing this. No, I want to do it. This is my thing. I'm telling you, I'm doing it. My name is Gene Simmons of Kiss. Ooh, yeah! And you're watching Rockstar Cartoonist. And I'm Paul Stanley of Kiss. Nobody cares. Oh, really? You don't think they care? Yeah, they care. Some of us care more than you know. What are you saying, Gene? I'm saying the thing I could never say before. What is it? I'm saying that I love you, Paul. You love me? But I'm married and I have 5 children. Yeah, so am I. That doesn't mean I don't love you. But I can't. You must. I can't. All right. Because that would be gay. I'm not gay. Come on. I just love you. Yeah, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Emily Aubrey, and I Can't Make You Love
me. Turn down the light, turn down the bed, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me closely and don't patronize me, 'cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart. I feel the power that you don't. No, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. I'll close my eyes, then I won't see the love you don't feel when you're holding me. Morning will come, I'll do what's right. Just hold me, baby, and I'll give up the fight. And I will give up this fight. Oh, 'cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart. And I feel the power that you want. No, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. If you don't. If you don't. If you don't.
Oh, what?